Time to cold start this pig. I forgot to cover it the other day, but there's been no rain, so that's alright. I'm gonna make room in the shed for this. Gotta get this big piece of wood out of here. I don't know what the hell that's for. Battery's probably drained. Oh, I remember. I had to push this thing back here. It died. And I found out what this is. That unlocks the hydro. My redneck seat cover, because this thing leaks. Alright, let's start it. Give it full choke. Aww. Not bad. A little stinky. Not bad though. New fuel filter and fuel line. There, now it sounds good. That's all for now.